Welcome. Thank you for joining us, parents, guardians and apprentices of September 2024. My name's Terry Holtham and I'm the Commercial Manager of MAKE UK. I'm really looking forward to welcoming you to our centre this year. Shortly after I've gone through some slides, we're also going to be hearing from Jolene Swift, who's our Head of Education. So just to go through our safeguarding team, so these are the individuals that will be supporting you while staying in our residential programme at the hotel. So we've got Arjinder, who's our systems manager. We've got Michelle Owen, who's our residential representative. We've got Yasmin, who is our lead IV, and we have Sue Stanley, who is a student data coordinator. All of these staff are very experienced in supporting with safeguarding for apprentices. So the main contact for you at the centre is Michelle. So she's actually based at MAKE UK. She's also an on-call person. So if you need any medical support, any out-of-hours care, this is the person that you can give a call to. So we've got her telephone number and her email here, and she can be contacted at any time. One thing that we have around the centre that you'll see quite a lot is QR codes, and this gives you the opportunity to voice any concerns. So as you can see here, it is called My Voice, and this is for reporting any safeguarding concerns that you may have about fellow colleagues, about members of staff. So where will you be staying? We'll be staying at the Holiday Inn, and that's on Junction 7 of the M6. So there is a signing in and out procedure when staying at the hotel. So students must always sign in at the reception desk. Now this is particularly important for under 18s. We have a duty of care to you and we want to make sure that you are safe at all times. So we do like to know where you are. So please do follow this rule. You will be issued key cards on your day of check-in and also a wallet to keep these in. And we do ask you to keep them with you at all times. When checking out, please do hand that key back to reception before departing, because it's more than likely that you won't stay at in the same room on the following week.
Hello, so my name's Jolene Swift and I'm the Head of Education at MAKE UK, and I'm going to take you through the remainder of the presentation. So here's 3 images from the hotel which you'll be staying at. So you'll be seeing that there are there's some things to do obviously when you're not on site at the hub. So there is a swimming pool, there is obviously a gym and also some pool facilities and obviously complimentary Wi-Fi. So there is a range of activities. So on the screen at the moment is the timing surrounding breakfast and dinner. So this is for Tuesday to Thursday. For dinners, obviously breakfast Tuesday to Friday. Obviously on the Monday evening, apprentices will be at the hub for their evening meal. You'll also see there that age restrictions apply at the bar. At the hotel, and obviously the images of the under 18s have been provided to make sure that no accidents occur. Transport, so there will be a coach that will collect our apprentices from the hotel each morning. That arrives at 7:20 and apprentices are expected to be ready and really waiting to get onto that. So typically apprentices come straight from their breakfast. It is important to note that if apprentices do miss that transport because they're late, then obviously expectations are that they make their own way to site. So conduct in the hotel. So apprentices just need to remember that they are representing both MAKE UK and also their employers whilst in the hotel, and therefore need to remember to abide by that code of conduct. Really, that's just about being really sensible surrounding mealtime, socialisation, driving in and out of the hotel, and just their general attitude. So they would just behave as you would normally in a public space. Clearly, the UK legislation still applies. So it's important that things like underage drinking and all of that is obviously something that is carefully monitored. Rooms are single occupancy. So socialising really needs to happen in the communal areas. You can't get a quantity of learners in rooms, and obviously where that happens, that tends to only cause problems. So apprentices also are not able to be accompanied by partners, families and friends. They are single occupancy. Apprentices need to be considerate and respectful in terms of their communication at the hotel. It's particularly important in those communal areas at breakfast, at dinner time, whilst using the gym, that actually they recognise that not only because they're wearing their workwear, that they are clearly identifiable, where they work and that they are representing their companies and MAKE UK, but also that they just need to be sensible and to behave and talk in a respectful way. Again, we have had occasions in the past where hotel residents have complained to employers, and employers, again, do, like ourselves, would take quite a serious look at how people are obviously communicating in those spaces as they are. So hotel rooms, as per standard, would have do not disturb signs on the door. Clearly in line with our safeguarding policy, the hotel are under clear instructions that actually if an apprentice hasn't come down to breakfast and actually left for the centre of an individual morning, they have been instructed to go obviously into that room to make sure that they're all okay, to check in on them. So here's our policies and procedures. So these are all available from the site, and we can talk to you more about this when we see you next week. So again, just information for the first day, so Wednesday the 18th of September. So breakfast will be at 6:30 in the morning until 7:20 when the coach arrives. So we would expect all of our apprentices to be on there ready for their first day, and obviously to be welcomed at the centre for 8 o'clock, where they will then start on really quite a packed induction process. So we've got all sorts of things that are spread out over largely a week. So that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and actually we'll take them into the Monday and Tuesday of the following week, and that of course will be interspersed with some training of engineering, whichever discipline it is that they're working in. So thank you for listening. Obviously we all, myself and Terry, will both be at the hotel on Tuesday when we look forward to meeting you. If you have any questions and you're happy for them to wait till Tuesday, I'll be more than happy to obviously answer those at the time. If you would like them answered prior to then, if you do just obviously email through to the centre, we'll obviously pick those up in advance of that and answer them. We will be bringing uniforms for the apprentices, so they'll be receiving those, and shoes and boots, all that sort of thing that they have ordered, and we will bring those with us, so they'll actually have those for their first day. So we'll be looking forward to handing those out. So until then, see you.